there, this is Elisa with WTI. I've used many regular floss, but by far, this Oral-B Glide Advanced Floss has been my favorite. Let me show you why. Flossing is not optional when you're trying to have healthy gums and you're trying to avoid gum disease like gingivitis. I love Oral-B Glide Advanced Floss because it's small, you can carry it everywhere, and I also like how it's designed. It's flat, so it allows you to reach those tight spaces in your teeth easily. I also like the mint flavor it has. This has by far been my favorite floss. After using this, I noticed that not only is it easier, but I also noticed that it's not painful since I'm not hurting my gums. I love bringing this with me everywhere due to its compact size. Again, it's super easy for you to carry. So if you're looking for healthy gums and you're trying to avoid bad breath, then you definitely need one of these, but that's just my point of view.